What's up, guys? I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in I haven't uploaded a video in 3 months, like a full-length video. But I'm going to be checking out the reactor update with my friend Roman, the Roman 0220.
Yeah. I just say my name is Roman because
Yeah, Roman.
this is basically my Oculus account. Roman
Yeah.
0220 Oculus account.
Okay, so we have the new bundle, which looks sick, the Egyptian croc. I personally love that. I do not have money for it, though. This is all the same. The tech web is now, in fact, all of the upgrades. I'm trying to save up for double jump.
Yeah, I just got that.
I need to use my Oculus.
I like how I can vertical jump with it. Hold on. No. Oh, great. Now I have radiation. Yeah.
It's crazy.
Also, when I
Okay.
made that noise, I was like, oh.
Okay, let's go.
Why is your rope stuck to the ground? To me, it's fully out.
Open it, Daddy.
Why are you closing it?
I'm opening it.
You closed it for me.
For me, I didn't even open it. What's that? That's a phone.
Alright. Well, let's hope they remove this, because I really don't like it.
Ugh. Ooh, that 360. 360 no scope.
Yeah, I did 360 all around.
Bam.
What
No,
is
wait,
this
you
red
can
carpet
literally
here?
360 no scope in this game. Bam. Okay, where are we going?
Radiation again.
Oh,
Wait, hold on. Let me wash myself off.
oh, you can wash yourself?
Yeah, so you don't have any more radiation.
Huh.
Just put your hands in water.
Yeah, I have no radiation anyway.
Bro, what the?
Kindly remove your shoes, backpacks, and other gear before entering.
But you don't
That
have
don't matter.
feet. It won't.
Don't go in yet.
It won't. It'll take away my stuff.
Admin access. Okay. Just come in. We need to find the key card.
Okay.
Just come in. It'll take your
Whoa!
stuff. But that's fine.
What is this, bro?
That's
I
okay. We
have
just need to
one-
find the key card.
VR time.
Is this the key card?
I have 1 more minute of VR time today.
Oh crap.
Wait. I'm just gonna go on my ult. Okay. I'm gonna go on my ult.
Like right now?
Yeah. I promise I'll be back.
Okay.
I know
I'll be
code
waiting here for you. Okay.
WRL. Okay.
Low-key comment, I have strict parents if you have that strict of parents. Where is the key card? Like, real, where's the key card? Paper. Take more paper. Never too much paper. Scrumptious. Oh. Is it just these key cards? If it's just these key cards, then I'm finna crash out. Oh, yeah. Offline scanner is disabled. Okay, I'm just gonna hold the stop and wait here. Yeah. Around the world, around the world. We kindly remove your shoes, backpacks, and other gear before entering. Yeah, come on. Yeah, right, I'd rather not. What is this? What? Days since the last incident? 67. Remember, safety first. Never. I can't read that. You can only, let's see, safety first. That's all. Bro, when is Roman gonna get back on his ult, bro? Low-key kinda creepy. Like, least scariest map equals creepy. Oh, is this a slide? Yay, it's a slide. Wait. Bro, where is Roman? Ooga booga. Oh my, that scared me. That beat scared me. Low-key, where is he though? Where is he, bro? Oh my goodness, did Roman leave me? Where is he? Roman? Okay, so I'm gonna explore above ground. I don't know if they did anything else. Okay, let's see here. Doesn't look like they did anything here. The key thing's the same, so. Whoa. Yep. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to hit that 4th digit. That will make me very, very happy if we can get there. But yeah. If he doesn't come back soon, then this ain't getting posted. Oh, come on. Watch my magic tricks. Yeah, throw it through the wall. Or you watch it go through the wall. If you throw it right, it goes through the wall. I am Thor, God of Hammer. I am Thor, God of Hammer. God of Hammer. Bro, somebody make an edit of this. I am Thor, God of Hammer. I don't think he's coming back. I shall continue on without him. If he does come back, oh, that's nice. That's beautiful, Katie. Low-key skill issue if you can't find me. It's not like I'm at deadly radiation level. Okay. So, I haven't really been here, but I know you go through here. And then, oh, whoa. Whoa! I want to try to get to the microwave. Blue, orange, yeah. Blue, green, orange, red. I just heard the alien guy from Office. Isn't I thought uranium was toxic now. I don't want want to go up there because it'll probably take me to the office. Oh. It's over here. Oh, the reaction core. That's not open. Okay, so this is like puzzle time. B5. Isn't that like 5, 6, 7, 3, 5, 6. I forgot what the password was. I don't. Where do you find the password? Do not touch chemicals. No dir. Don't not touch chemicals anyway. Not good for skin. Level 3. Control faculty. Where do you find the code? I'm pretty sure it starts with like a 3. Spam. No power. Yeah, hold on. I'm completely confuzzled. Okay. It's probably gonna be like in plain sight, bro. No, my thing is stuck for a second. What, am I supposed to like throw the uranium in here? Oh yeah. I'll do that. Oh, it makes the same sounds as it makes the same sounds as the other Loki. Oh, big chunk, big chunk. Probably not gonna do any different amount. Oh, dang, how did I just escape that? Yeah, I can probably it's fine. I don't want to go in there though. If y'all want to like skip through the video, because the next couple minutes is probably just going to be me filling this up. I don't like the sound it makes. Oh my goodness. Two, 3, 5, 5. What if I try that? 2, 3, 5, 5. No. Thought that would work. So the fuel needs to be up to there is what this machine is saying. This is low-key puzzling. That was a cringe moment. Big piece. Big piece sugar. Nope, not even close. Yeah, it's so uranium processing unit. Do I need to like get this full? I wonder. Turn y'all's volume down if you want to stay awake. Stay alive. Oh, I only did one beam, so. Nope. Don't want to fall in there. Less radiation, please. Thank you. Oh, it's like my Michikotea Bichikotea. Oh, he licked me. What do I need? What is that? Does that need like a key? What did that fart? Huh? That moved over. Did that not move over? What the heck is going on here? Huh? Level 3. I need to find this code. Would y'all be mad at me if I googled it? That scared me. Do I press the buttons? No, that just emptied the fuel tank. Huh? This is like, I'm gonna Google the code. Google, what is the code to the locked door in an in-mall company? There is no single code to that. Oh my goodness. What is the code to the locked door in animal company? Okay, so it's not giving me an answer. Oh, it's right there. 8430. I'm sorry I wasted y'all's time. 8430. Yeah, whoa, I don't like that. Okay, we're going in. The eyes, they hurt. Can I, like, get on the ceiling? What am I supposed to be doing right now? What the frick? Oh my goodness. My soul just left my body. Oh, keycard. Not keycard, VHS. If y'all want to, like, go ahead and replay that, I'll let you do that. But, you'll hear my genuine screams of horror. That was terrifying. I'm gonna clip that. I don't like it in here. Bro literally just sent a freaking nuke at my head. Like, what is this? What is this Diddy boy doing on the calculator? Is Blood Einstein? Like, I need to get a close up of that thing. What was that? Is it like a dog? Oh, nope. Is Blood Einstein? Why is blood tweaking? Okay. Okay, let's. Oh, that was an RPG. What's up, guy? Oh no! So I died. That's a close up. Somebody gifted this to me. They gave it to me, but oh, snail. Somebody gave me snail. he holds one superpower. You can go into the radiation without getting radiated. If you let go of him, you will be radiated. If you don't, then you won't be radiated on. Okay, so that's Mr. Snail. He low-key acts more like a cat. Good boy. I didn't kiss him. Yeah, that's all for today's video. Roman left us. That was kind of sad. But if like and subscribe for a free snail, I suppose. If once we hit a 1K subs, I'll do something massive like the low tipper fade. So please subscribe. I'm gonna edit my butt out on this video.